Hello, my name's Jeremy MacDonald. I'm one of the founders of the Stretch Patch. This is a revolutionary treatment for treating stretch marks. This is a problem that affects well over 100 million people in the United States. In fact, there's over 100 million women alone that suffer from stretch marks. And this is a breakthrough for delivering organic ingredients to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. I've spent my career as an entrepreneur in the internet field and in the healthcare field, and currently have an appointment at MIT where I am a consultant running marketing for the Executive MBA program. I'd like to introduce you to Rita Toth, who is the inventor of the Stretch Patch. Rita, tell us about your background and how you came up with this product.
Yeah, I'll be happy to. Well, basically, my name is Rita Toth, and I'm coming from Hungary. I moved to the U.S. A couple of years ago. Back in Central Eastern Europe, I used to work for Procter & Gamble, so I do have a large FMCG and product management and product development background. And adding to that, I was coming up with the product called the Stretch Patch. Now, how the product was born, you may ask, like every product like this, it works out of a very big frustration. Because what happened is I had 2 children, right? And then 2 children usually takes a very big toll on your body. And I am just like every other woman in the earth, is technically, I like to feel beautiful. You know, I like to feel confident in my skin. But sometimes, you know, stretch marks are a way in that. And I have addressed this issue many times with many of my friends. I do have a lot of friends with babies, and they all suffer from the very similar problem that I'm suffering from, right? We tried everything out in the market. We even debated, you know, who had, you know, results faster, as strange as it sounds, but, you know, among girlfriends, you know, nothing is off limit. And what turned out is nothing really works. Or it takes too much time, or it takes, you know, too much energy, it's messy. And what I find out in general, the biggest problem, that everything works on the top layer of your skin. Everything is topical, but that's not where the scarring happens. So I went off with a friend, and she's into to science, and then she helped me actually came up with an idea that it's a revolutionary idea in the way that has never been seen on the market before, because there are out like transdermal delivery systems in the market, usually used for medical devices, whatnot, but nobody actually thought about the fact that we can put it into a patch like this and put it on your skin and add heating effects with it, and that heating will open up the pores, it will increase the circulation on your skin, so therefore the ingredients in the patch penetrating a deeper layer into your skin to the place where the scarring actually happened. So before I get into the usage of the patch, I would like to show you how exactly was our frustration when we tried out some products, and for that I would like to invite one of my friend Rosa, and she's a mommy of 2. She has 2 children, and she recently had a baby. So when we had a little debate, we tried many products. Now one of them is the very famous E-vitamin. Everybody thinks that you have to try the E-vitamin, and you rub it in your skin, you see it's like slick and shiny, so you think it's actually working. But what happens is you do not have time to wait around and to see, you know, and wait till it absorbs, right? You're gonna go back to your baby. So what happens is it wipes off with your clothes. Now we tried out other very similar and very popular products, such as the cocoa butter. This is probably equals with witchcraft, but still, many people using it, they have a very large market share. So we decided to try this one out as well. See, it's again like a greasy lotion. You actually have to rub it in to make sure that this disappears from your skin. But the problem is it didn't, because it did not penetrate into your skin into a deeper layer. So what happens is it get washed off again on the same way like everything else would. Now Rosa, during her pregnancy, developed some stretch marks, not only her stomach, but she also had some stretch marks on her side. So I would like to show you how the patch actually works. It has a 3-layer system. You have the backing, the top sheet, and the adhesive with the ingredients. So you peel it off, and then you put it on the skin, on your stretch mark, and then you can pull your pants up, and then you can go. It also comes in different sizes, so you can address it to your need. If you have a bigger mark, for example, I had, because of the 2 babies, I had a large mark on my tummy, and I had a larger patch developed for myself. It can be tailored to your personal need, and it can be efficient on the place and on the way it needs to be the most. so Rosa can go back to do what she does best, dealing with her baby.
Great. Well, thank you. I'd like to talk a little bit about the size of the market for this product. As I said, about 90% of women have stretch marks, 40% of men as well. For us, our core market is women between the ages of 18 and 45 years old. That's about 90 million women in the United States. This is a group that has large disposable income and cares a lot about their looks and their beauty. This product itself is perfect to be sold either through retail distribution with good packaging or to be sold on an infomercial. The market represents about a $500 million opportunity for the stretch mark company with a 1% penetration in the US. The entire international market is not included in this calculation. We're looking for a partner through the Shark Tank to invest $100,000 to help us with the final product development and manufacturing scalability. With that money, we'll then be at a position where we can either license it through a major consumer products or beauty company or decide to launch our own infomercial. Thank you very much for the opportunity. We look forward to seeing you for the taping of the show.
Thank you very much.